Well, the U.S. Department filed a lawsuit Monday challenging political maps. The state of Texas recently approved. The department alleges that the growth in minority groups isn't being recognized and discriminating is happening. 6 News reporter Bailey Bates is live in studio to break down what this means going forward. Hey, Bailey.
Hey, Jasmine. The lawsuit alleges that the redistricting plan drawn by Texas lawmakers violates the Voting Rights Act. Local representatives say this is pretty standard. Texas's recently passed redistricting maps haven't stopped making headlines for months. Lawsuit after lawsuit being filed for discrimination. And the U.S. Department of Justice adds another one to the list Monday.
The department's career voting law experts have assessed Texas's new redistricting plans and determined that they include districts that violate the Voting Rights Act.
The lawsuit alleges that Texas denied or abridged the right of Latino and Black voters to vote on account of their race, color, or membership and language minority group.
Our complaint also alleges that several of those districts were drawn with discriminatory intent.
I'm kind of surprised this didn't happen a little sooner.
Texas State Representative for District 55, Hugh Shine, says he isn't surprised by the lawsuit, as this is generally how something this controversial would go.
Looking at what took place, and it was very obvious in a number of cases that we have probably drawn some lines to keep the numbers.
Shine says this happened back in 2011 when Texas went through the redistricting process then. And regardless of the lines and who approves it, the maps would get pushed back.
It's not any difference if the Democrats are in control. If the Democrats control the process, if they were in the leadership positions, we would have the same discussion, the same argument, except for a different reason.
The representative expects judges in the court to make changes to the lines Governor Abbott signed off on back in October, and it could take up to 2 years or even longer.
This can trickle down and have an impact on state legislative races as well, but I think initially it's going to impact the congressional side.
But he wants Central Texans to know that this could impact your political leaders down the road.
2 years from now, probably be dealing with districts that look a little bit different than what they do right now.
As Shine and many others prepare for re-election, he and others are planning on using the outlines that Governor Abbott signed off on in October, unless the courts change the map before then. Jasmine.